All right, so here we are with red light, green light. So we got a short set up here. Boom, sell in. Got it just in time. It might come back up. It might come back up here before it goes down, but I definitely didn't want to get in late. So we're in red light, green light. It's been a long time since I've been able to do some futures trading and record it for this account so we can grow it. But we're here. Been out of town, doing a lot of traveling, working on some business ventures. Just haven't had any time to put into the trading right now as I'm trying to get this other business up and going. It's a lot of work to open up some businesses. I'll tell you what, I don't know how these people on Shark Tank do it and manage all these different companies. It's insane. But yeah, anyway, so it's going good though. So here we are. So we had an opportunity, took this futures trade, almost missed it, and we're in. So we'll see how this thing turned out. All right, so markets sell off pretty good there. So we're back at the profit zone. Could take a profit out right around here. We're at the 50% move marker, and technically this trade's already a dead trade. So anywhere in here is a bonus. But a lot of stuff in my other charts are selling off. So I'm gonna give this a little while to see if it wants to continue down into the target, and then we'll take it there. So that's what's happening. All right, so I thought I was recording it when I was exiting this trade, but I was recording the wrong screen. So we'll do it again, except now I'm already out. So I was in this short trade here because it was a part of the simple switch red light, green light in the futures market. So with that algorithm, so we got our entry right here. So we got our switch, we got permission, all that good stuff right there. So we shorted this. It came down overnight and almost hit the target and then pulled back. So right now, if this happened during the day, I would have been out with some profit on this trade because once it crosses the 50% marker, we start looking for profit on a pullback. So that would have been a dead trade. So the trade is pretty much over here, but because I didn't put any other things in, I was still in the trade. So this morning, of course, now I'm in the losing part of the trade, and it came all the way back down to this level again, almost hit here. I could have easily gotten out here and just took my profit and called it a day, but I didn't. So we're still in, and then on its way back down here again, this is kind of, we have a little bit of some W or M patterns, especially right here showing up. Some people will say maybe a head and shoulders and stuff like that. So there's some technical sides showing up here that might indicate a sell-off. So I could have stayed in here, but I didn't because we also had the algo indicate a potential long play right here that I marked up. Entering right here, looking for a target there. It didn't cross the 50% area, so this long play is still in right now. It didn't get to the stop either, so this is still a trade. So yeah, so because this long trade is still open, this is technically a dead trade. I decided I'm going to pop out. I'm just going to pop out of this trade and wait for the next one, take my profit, and call it a day. So we jumped out, took the profit, and we'll wait for the next setup. Part of the greed in me is like, stay in. It could roll over and crash. It could, right? But there's also there's conflicting algo here right now. So we switched to the red here, indicating potential short, but we didn't have permission. So this doesn't show a short. And then over in the sniper chart, it didn't quite show a short yet either, although it looks like a short might be setting up on there now. So I just, with all the conflicting information, I just figured it would be better to jump out, take my profit, call it a day. So there you go. So that's what happened with that futures trade. Last week was a rough week. Glad I missed it. And hopefully this week we'll be back on to green. All right, everybody. Let's look at this in the log. I'll show it to you in the log here real quick. Okay, so here we are in the log. So you can see into the trade here. So 43.75 is what we made. After commissions, we'll take about $38. I'm going to indicate red light, green light here. So I know what I'm doing, where the money's coming from. And then, yeah, we got our months. So we're green on January, February, March, just not trading that much. So haven't been able to really grow this account. We did have 1 week that was red. It's a pretty good red week there. But then we also had some nice green weeks. So, yeah, let's keep it rolling and get this account growing. All right, everybody. There's, let's go take a look at the dashboard. So over on the dashboard, we have our different accounts. So March is looking pretty sweet right now. 15.32 now with my day trade today. Day trades today had red and green trades, and then the futures trade was nice. Swing trades closed yesterday, pretty sweet. Swing trades are open right now that are kicking butt. So yeah, things are looking really good for March so far. Futures, you can see what we're doing so far in the year. Slowly getting this thing going. Account 1 is my swing trade account, finally back in the green and getting that rolling. And then day trade account, we're back in the green and getting it rolling. And really just haven't been trading that much, so it's hard to grow an account if you're not trading in it. So here we go. So this week we should be trading a lot, and then next week probably won't trade too much, and then the following week we should be I think, back in pretty much on a regular basis. All right, everybody, have an awesome night.